All right, she's riding a little high. Sitting on 18-inch wheels with 235/50s on it. My Celica GT-SS is on 18-inch wheels with 255/40s on it. The difference in the height of the tire is a 27 and a 25-inch tall tire. This tire will not fit on the front because it will definitely hit back in there inside the fender more than just bending this lip out of the way. So it can run on 18-inch wheels, but that's going to be my maximum tire size, is a 25-inch tall tire for the front. What I need to do right now is kind of decide what I'm going to do about the tire size, wheel size. I think once the fenders are cut, and of course, you know, ride height's going to be lowered, we're going to be somewhere up here once we get to basically a stock ride height for a Celica, maybe a little bit lower than that when I get done. So I think this size wheel and tire is going to look all right. Got a lot of work to do figuring out exactly what to do with the rear fenders, how to widen them, but I do have some ideas. And this is my flip book to see what different angles look like. All right, so thinking about something like this, or possibly something with a bit more of a curve to it, so it follows the line of the body and the door a bit. All right, I think we're on to something here. Cardboard body kits. Cheap, easy to make, fast. Just don't drive your car in the rain. All right, seriously. This is just some estimations of about what lines might look good along here and how wide I need to make it on the top. Probably change the angle of this a little bit, maybe a little bit more angle down in the front so it looks like it's following the line up. The tire, not at ride height yet, so this will be up about here. Be more contours and all this, not just this flat sheet of cardboard. Pretty stylish though, you gotta say. This right here, I like the curve of this better than I like the straight line. Kind of ties into this body line on the way a Celica actually goes. It's a little further forward than I want it right now. I think further back at the top will be a little bit better, and I don't want to go into the door right here. This angle, I think, kind of ties it into the body line, window and stuff. But we're just trying to figure out what lines will look good, where we need to be at. Needs to curve in along here, maybe a little gap about this wide. Back here, some kind of a vent to let air back out. and I need to leave a little bit of something here to tie this rear bumper in, because once I cut this rear bumper for tire clearance, it's not going to attach in the same way. It's going to be a little bit of a pain. I think we're on to something here. I really think we're on to something here with this low-cost body kit. No, seriously, let me know what you think in the comments of where I'm going with this. It's going to be a good while before I have to do this, but I'm just trying to get some ideas in my head for right now.